All right, today I want to show you the website that I made. It's called TCG Sift, and I use it for sifting and listing my Magic cards. I made this as a seller on TCGPlayer and eBay, and this lets you list thousands of cards an hour really quickly. So let's just dive right into the demo. So first of all, when you land on the site and you get to the sifting page, you're presented with all the Magic sets here. And so we're parsing tons of Magic data and prices every day to give you the most recent price for whatever set it is and cards you have, so you have an idea of what your opening at the moment is worth. So I have some Spider-Man in front of me, so let's just go ahead and list these. So you can search by the set ID. I select the set I want, and then I can start sifting. And so we come up with the term sifting here for the idea that you have cards at a certain price that are bulk and a certain price that you want to list at. So here we're saying the minimum price for me to list a card is, and in this case I have it set to 1 cent. So every card I enter will get listed, and we're just doing that for the purpose of the demo. And so now we get into the thing that really speeds things up here. And so I have, I think, like 9 cards in front of me, but you'll see how quickly we get these on TCGPlayer just from what we have built here. So all you need to do now that we're locked in on Spider-Man is type in the card numbers. And so we have, let's see, Web Warriors is 203. So here it is. And so you type in 203, I use a numpad and hit enter. We have another card, 199. So let's just start getting these in. 131, 161, 151, 1. And then now we have a foil. So what do we do for foils? We let you press minus as the hotkey. And you can see here we toggled from near mint to mint. You can click with your mouse too. But this is all designed to just be used with a numpad. So we hit minus and it toggles foil, and we hit enter, and you can see here it says near mint foil. And so we support a bunch of things like, I need to figure out a good way to present this to everybody, but like, dot dot lets you delete your last entry. So you can see costume closet was removed from the bottom of the list, so we can put that back in. So once you have all your cards typed in, oh yeah, we support multiples too. So for this example, we could say like 5.10. And so that means we have 10 of these. And so we would hit enter here, you'll see the quantity is 10. But we don't have 10. So let's just keep going. So now we come to the part for step 4, audit. And this is the part where it lets you look at all your cards and make sure everything is right before you upload. And I also use this as a chance to like alphabetize my cards if they're not already alphabetized. So I won't bother making you guys watch me put these in order, but they're all here. And so we support exports for TCGPlayer and eBay right now. eBay is fixed prices that have just been working for me currently, but you'll get a CSV that comes out of this. So we export for TCGPlayer. I have a little thing here that talks about you can reach me on my Discord. This will be on the YouTube channel. I have a donate here. This is running on servers that cost me a little bit of money every month. So if somebody uses this and it saves them some time and they want to donate, that would be greatly appreciated. But anyway, you'll notice that we did download a file here. So I'm already logged into my TCGPlayer account. So we can click import, choose a file. This is the file that Sift generated. And you'll see it found all the records, continue, view staged inventory, and here are the cards that we just listed, and they're all ready to go. And so you'll notice that the prices are pretty close to what market is. So TCGPlayer updates all the time. We update prices one time a day, so these things could change. But you'll see here we have all the cards, Anti-Venom, near mint, and notice Costume Closet even has the near mint foil. And that's it. You would click save, you'd move to live, and there we go. We just listed some cards on TCGPlayer really quickly. So the motivation behind making this is there's so many tools out there, but they're not accessible for beginner sellers. And so Once you can do CSV on TCGPlayer, which is a level 4 seller, which is pretty quick, you can use a tool like TCG Sift, and you don't have to worry about like inaccurate camera apps. You don't have to worry about buying hardware. Um, you have to do all these steps of manually looking at the cards for all these other products anyway. So why not just do it quickly and right the first time? So that's kind of the motivation behind making Sift. So if you use it, I would love for you to pop into the Discord. Let me know how you feel. Give some feedback. There's obviously some other features coming along. I'm going to keep working on this. So thanks.